one of the most consequential Supreme Court decisions in recent U.S. history. The overturning of Roe v. Wade, ending a constitutional right to abortion and sending that decision back to each U.S. state, immediately led to a call for action from President Joe Biden.
We need to restore the protections of Roe as law of the land. We need to elect officials who will do that. This fall, Roe is on the ballot. Personal freedoms are on the ballot.
For decades, disagreements over abortion rights have motivated Democrat and Republican voters at the ballot box. A promise to appoint pro-life Supreme Court justices was a key part of Donald Trump's 2016 White House win.
I am putting pro-life justices on the court. I will say this, it will go back to the states.
Trump nominated 3 Supreme Court justices in his time as president. They each promised lawmakers Roe v. Wade was settled law, but ended up becoming the key votes to overturn it.
It has been reaffirmed many times over the past 45 years.
Now, with Roe overturned, will conservative voters still be motivated to head to the polls? House Republicans said there are more battles to fight at the state level.
The work just begins now to go and protect life even more, because the Supreme Court's decision overturning Roe v. Wade, correcting that flawed decision, finally allows states and Congress to protect life in ways that we never were able to for the last 50 years.
And that motivates young conservative voters like Anna Lulis.
It is super important to pushing pro-life legislation. What you're going to see with a post-Roe America is probably a polarization among the states.
In a Monmouth University poll released last month, 48% of Democratic voters said candidates' positions on abortion rights is a key issue in the upcoming midterm elections. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said he expects Republican lawmakers will try to put more restrictions on abortion.
Elect more MAGA Republicans if you want nationwide abortion bans. Elect more MAGA Republicans if you want women and doctors to be prosecuted. Elect more MAGA Republicans if you want a woman to be forced to not have an abortion, even if she were a victim of rape and incest.
And in the U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said it was crucial for Democrats to hang on to their majority.
The Republicans are plotting a nationwide abortion ban. They cannot be allowed to have a majority in the Congress to do that, but that's their goal.
It's still unclear how much the issue will energize voters. Outside the court, an abortion rights supporter doubted electing more Democrats would make a difference.
In theory, Roe is on the ballot. In reality, it would require 60 Democratic senators who are willing to actually take action on packing the court, on ending the filibuster, on making sure that this is here to stay.
A Politico Morning Consult poll conducted after the decision found that 40% of the American public strongly disapproved of overturning Roe.